The world outside can be a beautiful, serene blanket of white. But when that blanket turns into a relentless adversary and the grid goes dark, that serene beauty becomes a terrifying trap. Imagine the silence, the cold seeping in, the fear. For many, a winter power outage is an inconvenience. For some, it can be a matter of life and death. Today, we're not just talking about staying warm, we're talking about survival. We're uncovering the 7 cold weather skills that can truly save your life when the lights go out. Skill number 1, and perhaps the most fundamental, mastering the art of layering. It sounds simple, right? Put on more clothes. But it's not just about piling on sweaters. It's strategic. A base layer to wick moisture, a middle layer for insulation, and an outer layer to block the wind. Cotton is your enemy. It traps moisture and steals your body heat. Wool and synthetics are your allies. This isn't about fashion. It's about creating a personal microclimate that keeps hypothermia at bay. Which brings us to skill number 2, creating a warm zone. When your entire house is a freezer, you have to shrink your world. Designate one small interior room, a bathroom, a walk-in closet, as your survival hub. Hang blankets over doorways and windows. Create a makeshift tent within that room. Every cubic foot of air you don't have to heat is energy saved and warmth gained. That small space becomes your sanctuary, a beacon of control in a chaotic situation. Now, how do you add heat to that sanctuary? Skill number 3, safe indoor heating. This is where mistakes turn fatal. Never bring outdoor grills or generators inside. The silent killer, carbon monoxide, claims lives every year. Instead, if you have one, use a small vent-free propane or kerosene heater designed for indoor use, with proper ventilation and a carbon monoxide detector running. Or, for a truly primitive but effective method, huddled together. Body heat is a powerful free resource. But what about the fuel for your internal furnace? Skill number 4, prioritizing hydration and nutrition. In the cold, your body burns calories just to stay level. You might not feel thirsty, but dehydration is a severe threat. If your pipes are frozen, that snow outside looks tempting, but eating snow is a dangerous mistake. It forces your body to expend precious energy melting it, lowering your core temperature. Instead, always start with a small amount of liquid water in a pot before gradually adding clean snow to melt. Then, boil it for at least 1 minute. This isn't just about quenching thirst, it's about preserving your energy. When the world goes silent, communication becomes a lifeline. Skill number 5, establishing communication. Your cell phone might be dead. Do you have a hand crank radio for emergency broadcasts? A whistle to signal for help? Have you designated an out-of-state friend or relative as a central contact point for your family? Don't underestimate a simple plan to let others know you're there. And when the cold inevitably takes its toll, skill number 6 is paramount. Basic first aid for cold-related injuries. Know the signs of hypothermia, uncontrollable shivering, confusion, slurred speech. Know the signs of frostbite, numbness, waxy-looking skin. And know the immediate actions. Get the person to a warm, dry place. Rewarm them slowly. This is where preparedness truly meets compassion. Have you ever experienced a long power outage? Share your story and any tips you have in the comments below. Finally, we arrive at skill number 7, the most powerful of all, cultivating mental fortitude. When everything goes wrong, panic is your greatest enemy. The ability to stay calm, to establish a routine, to break down overwhelming problems into small, manageable steps, that is your ultimate survival tool. This isn't just about physical survival, it's about the resilience of the human spirit. The surprise here is that the simplest solutions are often the most effective. It's not about expensive gear, it's about ingenuity and a deep understanding of basic principles. So there you have them, strategic layering, creating a warm zone, safe heating, vital hydration, crucial communication, essential first aid, and the indomitable power of your own mind. It's not about living in fear, but about respecting nature and embracing the strength of human ingenuity. Preparedness isn't about expecting the worst, it's about knowing you have the skills to protect yourself and those you love.
If you found this valuable, please hit that like button. It really helps our channel. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into survival. Let us know in the comments what other topics you'd like us to cover. Stay safe, stay warm, and stay prepared.